Today I am going to take a very important question which is about back problem. Back problem is a broad concept. It mostly relates to the back part of human body, especially in the spinal column. Spinal column begins from neck and goes down to the tailbone. But back problem not only relates to the spinal column, but it also goes down until the heels. So all these areas are the field which comes in the domain of back problem. Spinal column has divisions. In the medical term, the neck area is called cervical. Behind the chest, we call it thoracic. Further we go down, behind the stomach is called lumbar. Below lumbar is the sacral, just behind pelvis, and below sacral is called coccygeal, the tailbone area. In these areas, different kinds of back problems may happen. Also, when we go down, there are different nerves, muscles, where injuries and problems can take place. They all are commonly called back problems. Because these problems may happen at different parts, there cannot be one fixed remedy for any of these problems. Modern medical science has done a lot towards this. There are also other alternatives. Along with that, yoga also provides some beautiful techniques through which these problems can be well managed. One thing I must add here, if a problem in the bones, in the muscles, in the nerves set in, we must be very aware that what was natural was natural. Now what we are going to do is to amend. So the natural state will be very difficult to attain. However, with yoga, life can be very well managed, problems can be very well settled, if not completely eradicated. Now, what is happening in the neck area, in the thoracic area, in the lumbar area, sacral and coccygeal will have different programs. If a person suffering from these problems comes to a yoga teacher or somebody who knows how yoga can help, must be very aware that yoga alone is not sufficient. Along with that yoga, I would recommend personally homeopathic medicines. With yoga, homeopathic medicines, there are some other alternatives. Ayurvedic herbs, acupressures. But the best of all is to go to a modern doctor, allopathic doctor, who knows about all problems, who can do proper diagnosis, and then according to his advice, yoga and any other methods should be taken into consideration. Some doctors in simple cases also suggest operation. I would say if the problem is too worse, only in that case we should go for operation. If there is some chance, we must try alternatives, and among alternatives, yoga is one of the most effective. Some common postures which can be used, that is called Bhujangasana, Cobra, Salbhasana, Locust, and things like that. But I must tell you, Cobra and Locust, Bhujangasana and Salbhasana are not the remedial thing for all kinds of back problems. They are just few examples. So postures, breathing, relaxation, massage, homeopathic pills, some other alternatives together can very well manage back problems. Thank you very much.